Alright, we're making a final video here at 337 25th Avenue East. The date's July 16th, 2020. Looking at the Seattle City main right now. Pulling back from there. Gonna get a look at this sewer. We're gonna show the project here that Bob Oates has completed. So coming back right now through 6-inch clay pipe. This is original piping. We did not touch any of this piping. Pretty good shape, so we left it alone. I'll let you know when we get back into our liner. You'll actually see it. It'll be very clear on the camera.
Did you go all the way to the main?
Yeah.
Where did it go?
Hold on just a second. I'm recording this. Let me finish this real quick. Coming back still through 6-inch clay there. Jumping into our 4-inch liner at that point. So here's the beginning of that Bob Oates 4-inch installed liner. And coming into our plastic repair there. There's the end of the repair. It's to be tied right into this clean out. So I'm going to end the video there. It shows all the work that we completed here.